Hello beautiful, welcome back. Please excuse this. I know I look like I'm not put together, which I'm not. I'm not feeling like myself today because I'm having that beautiful once in a month moment, which I'm pretty sure you love it as much as I do. So ignore my face, okay? I don't have my pimples yet, which is amazing. That's why I wanted to film this video very quick, because I'm pretty sure they will show up probably tonight or tomorrow. So that's that. Today I have a very short, I want to believe I'm going to keep it short, video for you. And I'm going to try out the Anastasia Brow Freeze Brow Styling Wax. This will not be my first time using this, because I did use this 2 times before, but I didn't have the right product to create my brows, because as we can see I don't have much to work with. So if you use a regular pencil, at least to me didn't work. It looked not cute, so I had to buy 2 felt marker tips, brow pencil, whatever they are called. So this is what I'm going to do in today's video. I'm going to jump into the, how is that called, feathery brow look trend, which I think I'm 1 year late. Anyway, if you guys want to see how I get those feathery, effortless, beautiful, full, fluffy brows, then keep on watching. As I said, this will not be my first time using this product. I already used this twice or 3 times, and I think I like it. I don't know what they put in here. This is not soap, because I tried to clean the little spoolie that I use it to apply it, and it's not foamy, it's not soap. I don't know what this is, like a hair gel maybe. I don't know, Anastasia, what do you put in this? But it's hella expensive, and you get like, what, 8 grams of product. You can even see it because it's clear, but you get only 8 grams of product, and I paid 22 freaking euros on Beauty Bay. I don't know what the hell I was thinking. Wow, a lot of money. 22 euros, Anastasia. This will help my brows to grow like fluffy and beautiful, because that will be a plus. If not, hella expensive. I have this pencil which I really like. This is the Revolution Pro Dark Brown. It's the one with gold caps. That's the good one. But it doesn't work with this product because it glides and the pigment is not showing on my skin. So that's why I had to buy 2 felt marker like pens. And let me see. Wow, this is extra. This is from Essence. This is extra skinny. I really like that. I think this was 2 euros, 93 euros. And this is from Rimmel, London. This has the tip a little bit more, well, not that thick, but it's a little bit different, right? Like, I really hope the Essence one works for me, because anyway, this was almost 7 euros. 24 hours precision stroke pen, 0.2 millimeters. This one is the tiny tip precise brow pen, semi-permanent. Both are in dark brown. Okay, first I'm going to apply the Anastasia Brow Freeze Gel. Let me zoom you closer. I usually do my brows first and then my face makeup. So anyway, this is how much product I'm using. I don't know if you can see that. And I'm going to brush my eyebrows upwards. Oh, that's intense. Who dares to disturb me? That was easy. Let's see. My friend Lina, she's so cute. If you guys don't follow her, you should. She has very good videos. I was replaying to her. She was doing again the feta pasta challenge recipe, whatever, from TikTok. I did that twice. It's absolutely amazing. You have to try it. So I was replaying to her. She said, so damn good. Yeah, indeed, it's so good. Oh, this is a brush I bought from AliExpress. I don't know how many years ago, 6 maybe. And I still have it till this day. It looks absolutely perfect. On sorry, on AliExpress it said Anastasia. This is not Anastasia because the logo is not here anymore. And I think this was the number 12 brush. And oh my god, it's so good. I think I paid €2 or so. I don't know, you guys. This is such a good brush, and I went to buy more, and the seller was gone. Like, they didn't sell this anymore. I'm sorry, I said this video will be short. I hope you can see what I'm doing because I'm trying to see myself in the mirror. Okay, yeah, you can see what I'm doing. You see, I don't have hairs to work with, and oh my god, you guys, I get a lot of little pimples in between my hair brows. What? I don't really like this feeling. Like, this product sticks the hairs to my skin, and I don't like that tight feeling, but during the day they will kind of lift, even though they will remain in the same shape I style. I won't have that feeling, you know. I guess this is how looks a little bit crazy. Let me do the other one real quick. So I'm going to go with the Rimmel London pen, and I'm going to draw hair like strokes like hair. What? Anyway, like I'm going to fake some little eyebrow hairs. Okay, let's see how this goes. Okay, not bad. The color looks actually very nice. Wow, I do really like that. I'm going to fill in this space. Oh, all right. I don't know how to do this, so bear with me. I have to put a little bit of pressure. Definitely not amazing. It works, but it's not the best. I'm not loving this brow so far. Let me try the Essence one on this eye, and let's hope this one is better. Let's see. Wow, you saw that? Alright, this one looks a little bit more reddish brown. This one is actually pretty. It's not my color. No, why? Essence, why would you do that? This is a lot more pigmented, but the color is not my color. And it was the darkest one they had available. What in the actual... No, look at that. Oh my goodness. I really don't know how to do this. I thought I was good at doing brows, but what the heck is this? I don't like it. Like, this one looks crazy. This one is not that bad, but this one you can totally see that is brown red color. The Essence pencil brow pen, whatever this is called, is good, but the color is not my color, so I don't know. Let's try to do this again. Oh my, you see, that's like mauve purple color. Wow, that's crazy. Why do they do that? Like, Essence, fix your damn shades. This is the Essence one, and it kind of did something, like it separated the colors. On this side looks more brown, and here it looks more reddish, purplish. You guys see that? Like, I'm not crazy. Essence, I'm having some questions here, so I'm going to do this again. That stained it. Oh yeah, it said, wait a second, it said semi-permanent. That's why my brow looks a little bit reddish, mauvish. Oh god, I had high hopes for these two products. Oh, anyway, you can totally see that my brows are so different. They are not twins, not sisters, not even cousins, not even blood related. This brow is this much higher than my other one. Also, this eye, if you look a little bit closer, this eye is a little bit more hooded than this eye, which is absolutely amazing. Love that for me. Let's see if I can get it as close as this one, which I don't think so. I don't know if I like this trend. Like, look at my brows. That's how they supposed to look. Camera, what in the... Like, that's the look I was looking for. Because I don't even know at this point. I don't like it. I don't like it. And now this one looks a little bit more pigmented. So let's fix this one. Jesus. Okay. I just cleaned this one, and as I said, this is my good brow, but man, I wish I had the energy to put some makeup on, because it looks actually cute. So I did clean a little bit under the brow, and I don't dislike it. I choose a very bad day to film this video, and I'm sorry, you guys. Let me do a little close-up for you. This is how they look cleaned with concealer, and yeah, I will have to try this again and put some makeup on, because I know it will look a lot different. Alright guys, so that's it. This is how you know, my brows look trying this feathery trend. Let me know down below if you guys tried this trend, if you guys want to try it, if you guys tried the Anastasia one, even though I don't recommend it. It's too expensive. Like, you get only 8 grams and it's 22 euros. Why, Anastasia? Does it have vitamins in it to make my hair grow, like to make my brow hairs grow? I don't think so. Let me check. So yeah, I don't see any vitamins in it, so I don't understand the price. I love it because it's vegan and vegan and cruelty free. But yeah, I don't recommend this one, even though it's good. Anyway, let me know down below if you guys tried this trend. What do you think? I feel like I went a little bit crazy. Like, they are a little bit too close together, and they are a little bit too dark, like right here. From far, they don't look that bad, and I don't hate this, but I feel like it's not for me. It took me way too long to create my brows, you know? So yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Let me know down below, what do you think? I want to know your opinion. Let me know please down below. Thank you so much for watching my videos and for being here for me, you guys. I really appreciate you so much, and I know I don't have that much time anymore to be here, and I really miss that, but I'm working, and that's that. Anyway, no more excuses. I'm going to end this video right here. Take care, you guys. Subscribe if you haven't already, and I will see you in my next one.